Hello everyone, just wanted to share a quick trick on how to turn a photo into a video on Instagram. Now, I know some of you have an Android phone, so don't worry, you can still use this trick. I saw online that Android has the same feature as on iPhone, so you can definitely continue watching. I'm just going to be using an iPhone because that's what I have. But anyways, back to the trick. This trick can be very useful because it allows you to take one photo and then you can turn it into two different things. You can use it as a photo or as a video. It's completely up to you. So you kind of get two things in one. And you can use that thing to create reels, carousels, Instagram stories, or even static posts. So you get much more options to create different types of posts. Actually, during that video, we are going to play around creating some posts together. We'll create a reels, we'll create a carousel. Also, if you are someone who loves to take a bunch of photos and you don't post them straight away, so maybe you're a content creator and you're documenting your days, or maybe you are a business owner taking a bunch of pictures of your products, then I'll show you how you can organize all your photos and videos so they are not all over the place in your camera roll. And I'll also show you how you can plan them to post for later using Preview app. But first, let's look at the trick, and I will also share some tips and tricks as we go. So what you want to do is open your camera app. And once you're on your camera app, just make sure that you have the photo option selected. And one thing that I love to do as well is press on the arrows on top here. And here you can choose the ratio for your photo. So I always have it on 16:9 because that's full screen and that's perfect for sharing on social media, whether that's on your Insta Stories, your Reels, your TikTok, etc. So 16:9 is selected. And here is the trick. The trick is to use the live option on your camera. So I'm going to turn this on. So this is on. And now some things that you need to know about the live option. 3 things. First, it will take a photo, obviously. And then you will have the option to turn it into a video on Instagram. Only if you want to. You can revert. I will show you how to do that. Second, when you take a live photo, it also records the sound. So just be mindful in case you don't want to hear voices or music or conversation going on in the background. Just something to know. You can mute it later on Instagram, or you can put music on top as well later on. And the third thing that you need to know is that when you take a live photo, it will actually record a 3-second video. And 3 seconds is actually perfect to make reels. Well, depends what type of reels you're making, but usually people for products or day in the life and stuff like that, they usually take 3 seconds. It's like 3 seconds clip one after the other, and sometimes it's even shorter. They use 2 seconds or 1 second. So if you are a content creator or business owner that likes to make like beautiful day in the life or snapshots of your products, that's actually perfect, 3 seconds. But the thing to know though is out of those 3 seconds, 1.5 seconds of the video is recorded before you press on the shutter button, and another 1.5 seconds is recorded after you release the shutter button. So we'll take some photos together and you'll see what I mean. So when you take the photo, you can definitely do some small movements, make something appear or disappear on the screen. You have those 3 seconds to do whatever you want. You can be as creative as you want. So let's say I'm a jewelry business. I've got my props with me here. So we're gonna take a photo video of this one. So I'm just going to move it a little bit like this to have a minimal movement. And I'll do it. All right, I'll start from the bottom. And then you can preview how it looks like. So to preview it, you just hold your finger on the screen. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm happy with that. And you can do any movement you want, you know. I'm just showing you a quick example here. And I also have I'm gonna take 3 different photos so that we can create a little reels together. And carousel and stuff, I'm just gonna have some fun and create different things. So maybe I'll just move like that. All right, let's have a look. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Last one. Let's do maybe like this, do a little heart, something a bit different. And maybe I'll just move the pearl. Alright, so I'll put the pearl like this and I'll go like that. Alright, let's try. So, like this. Oops. Let me see. That's pretty good. I like that. So, and I took another photo by accident. Just gonna delete this. Now, what you want to do is go on your Instagram app and go to your Instagram stories. So you can post that as a story or as a reels, but let's do stories first. So what you want to do is upload the photo so it will show up as a photo. Now, if you want to turn it into a video, you have 2 options. The first option is to hold your finger on the screen and it will become a boomerang. That's not my favorite option. What I like to do is to press on the boomerang button. And here you can see you've got other options and you have a slow-mo option, which can be pretty fun. You've got the eco option, that can be pretty fun as well. Like if you want to post this as a reels or as part of a carousel, it's different and people like different. It's not like just a photo or just a video. It's, you know, it looks different. It's pretty nice. And then you have also duo that has a little bounce. So it really depends what your style is, your personality is, what you feel like creating. But let's say I like this one, I'll press on done. And if I want to post it as a reels or as in a carousel, I'll just press on the 3 dots and I'll just save it. And it will be saved in your camera roll as a video. Now, if you want to post a reels, you just go to your reels and I'll show you what happens. You just go like this and you open that photo that you just took. And as you can see, it automatically recognized that the photo was a video and it's playing your live video. If you don't want this to happen, you just press on the off button. Otherwise, you can just use it as a video. And that's that. Actually, you know what? With the other videos that we took, let's create another reel. So this one, and this one. I'm gonna choose those. I'm going to skip the music. And now let's edit that video. So I like when it's a fast sequence because you want to get people's attention. So around 1 to 2 seconds, each clip is pretty good. So let me make this as well, like around that long. I'm just gonna go fast, guys, so we can get like a quick idea. All right, let's start. Boom, boom, and boom. I'm gonna make that just, you know what, we could even make 1 second each, but boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. I love that. That's not bad. And like this, and what I can do, so you can post it now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it and I'm going to show you what you can do. Now let's go in our preview app, and you know preview, you can plan your post and you can do it on your phone and on your computer, but let's just stay on the phone for now. So let's upload the reels that we just created. Here it is. And let's create as well a carousel here, and I'm gonna upload those photos, and here they are. And one thing that you can do for your reels, so let's open the caption, so you can write your caption, find caption ideas, find hashtags as well. You can choose if you want to show your reels in the feed or not. So let's say you don't want to show your reels in the feed, it will just disappear, but it will only show up in your reels feed here. Anyways, and you can schedule your post if you want to. But the cool thing as well that I like is you can press on edit and you can set your cover image, and you can choose the cover image as one of the clips from your video, or you can upload your own custom one from your camera roll. Let's go back to our carousel. Carousel, you can edit it if you need to. So let's go into the edit option, and from here you can move around the photos and videos within the carousel if you need. You can also tap on one and you can edit it. So quick thing, this button on top here, the color button, you can choose different filter packs. For this feed, I love the cream filters. They're just subtle and soft, and I think we're gonna go with filter 4. If you need, you can just lower the intensity of the filter, but I like how just subtle it is. So let's go with this one, and let's also crop it, because you know how Instagram only likes square, landscape, or like that rectangle thing. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, and we're going to do the exact same for the other pictures. So we have a theme. Here you go. I'm just gonna make it like that. Oops, I forgot to crop it. Let's crop it. And this one, done, save. And the last one, let's put this filter once again. And if you don't want it too strong, you can just do 2 or 3, you know. Right now I just feel like this one. And I'm gonna crop, put this here, kind of center the crop like that. Done and done. Save. Here you go. If you want to actually have a look, you can just double tap and go like this to preview. Oops, our reels disappeared. Let's show it in the feed again. And you know what? Maybe I'll put this one at the bottom like this. That looks pretty nice. I'm happy with that. So there you go. Oh, another thing. If you need to plan your stories, you just go to the stories here and you can just upload. Let's say you want to post this as a story. There you go. And you can choose when you want to plan it. If you need to make some notes, you can make some notes. If you need to prepare a link, you can put the link here. You can schedule it and auto post and all that jazz. And that's it. I hope it gave you some ideas for your account. If you have any questions, just let us know. Otherwise, have fun planning your post, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!